Peking duckling, Peking duckling.
There's a duck you gotta know in the town of Hilly Hole. He likes to do things his own way.
Come on, friends, let's seize the day.
Silly duck.
Peking duckling.
This is Wombat, she's real smart.
Look, I made a work of art.
Chumpkins is a techie pig.
Computers, yeah, I like them big.
Peking duckling, Peking duckling.
Check it out, the hilly pad, the helicopter's really rad.
Let's fly to space.
Sail the sea.
Careful, dude, there's a tree.
Thanks. Whoa.
Aww.
You guys are awesome. Arts and Quacks.
So, Peking, what do you feel like doing today? Riding down the old whale slide?
Nah, we did that yesterday.
Ping pong?
The beavers are hogging the table again. Well, Matt, I want to do something different. I want to make something.
What kind of something?
Something big. Something incredible. Something like... What is that?
A panda riding a horse.
I've never seen that before.
Well, not too many pandas can do it.
No, I mean, I've never seen this thing in Hilly Hole before. What is it?
Oh, this is a sculpture, Peking.
A sculpture, huh? It's so big, so incredible. Wherever did it come from?
This fake writing here says it was made in France.
France, huh? Wombat, I've got it! I know just what I'm going to do today. I, Peking Duckling, will go to France and make the biggest, most incredible sculpture ever seen.
That's a great idea, Peking.
So, you'd like to go to France, eh?
Oui. That means yes.
In Spanish?
French.
I was gonna say French.
Have you decided where in France you'd like to go?
The Franciest part.
Ah, that would be Paris. Supercomputer Zeus, kindly display the city of Paris, France.
Ooh la la.
Ah, Paris, home of the croissant, mimes.
Those are performers who don't talk, but do stuff like this.
Let's go anyway.
And home of the Louvre, a museum where some of the best artists in the world show their artwork.
Including sculptures.
Oui, including sculptures.
Let's hit the road to Paris.
To the helicopter! All aboard for Paris!
So this is Paris. It's beautiful.
But when can I get started on my sculpture?
As soon as we find our artist studio, Peking. Ah, here it is!
Whoa!
Bonjour, fellow artists! I am Claudette. I make big heads out of papier-mâché. I will show you the artist studio.
Thanks. Who's that?
This is Giuseppe, and his body is his paintbrush.
Bonjour! Oof! I am okay. It is natural to suffer for your art.
Interesting. And who's that?
Brie. She takes photos of the finest French cheeses.
Oui, when I have no cheese, I simply camembert it.
Oh, brother.
And this is your area, Monsieur Duckling. Have a good time.
Wow, my own area in a French artist studio. This is so exciting. It's finally time to make my first sculpture.
I can't wait to see what you come up with, Peking. I know it will be amazing.
I wouldn't be so sure.
Why, thank you, Wombat. And I heard that, Chumpkins. Now, what sort of sculpture shall I make out of this blob of clay? I need an idea. A big idea. Boy, being an artist is harder than I thought. Maybe I'll make a... No. Oh, come on, brain, think of something.
You okay, Peking?
I didn't know it was possible to burst a thought bubble.
I can't think of anything to make. My mind is
Blank?
Yes! Thank you. I'm so upset.
Madame L'Orange? This is an honor.
She picks all the artwork that goes into the Louvre Museum.
Oh my.
Bonjour, Claudette. May I see all the new art in your studio?
Yes, of course you can.
Claudette, when it comes to making art, you are ahead of the rest. How would you like to show your big heads today in my big art show?
Thank you.
Giuseppe, you have truly left your mark on the art world. Would you like to be in today's art show?
Si, madame. Grazie.
Just make sure you wash your hands.
You don't think she'll come over here, do you? I don't have any artwork yet.
Madame L'Orange never misses the chance to discover a new artist.
Oh dear.
Ah, Monsieur Duckling, do you have any art to show me?
Yes, I do. This masterpiece is from my lumpy clay period. I call it Lumpy Lump Lump. Oh, I'm sorry, Madame L'Orange, but I don't have any artwork to show you. I've been trying all day, but I can't think of anything to make.
Many young artists in Paris struggle to find their first big idea.
Really? What do they usually do about it?
My advice? Take in the sights of Paris, get inspired, and let me know when you find your big idea. My art show is tonight.
Oh, I will. Thank you so much. Inspiration, here I come.
Oh, Peking, look at this. A French croissant. Does it inspire you?
Well, it's okay, Wombat, but it's a bit too small for my big idea. Onwards.
It inspires me.
Hey, I think that might be one of those mimes. I'm gonna ask him. Are you a mime? Sir, are you a mime?
Peking, remember, mimes don't talk.
Not even the good ones?
Especially the good ones.
Oh.
But maybe you'd like to make a sculpture of the mime? Does he inspire you?
He inspires me to be a mime, but I still need my big idea. Let's keep looking. Wombat, we've been walking around all day. Nothing inspires me to make a sculpture.
And Madame L'Orange's show is going to start soon.
You mustn't give up, Peking. Everything worth doing takes effort.
You're right, Wombat.
Hey, there's an old French artiste. Maybe you can ask him where he gets his ideas.
Great idea, Chumpkins. Excuse me, old French artist, sir. May I ask you a question?
Oui, of course.
Where do you get your ideas?
An artist paints what he loves. I love Paris, so I paint Paris.
Okay, let me get this straight. I should just sculpt what I love? That's it?
Oui, once you find what you love, that will inspire you to make art.
Thanks. So, what do I love? Oh, I've got it! I know just what to make my sculpture of!
Are you gonna tell us, Peking?
Not only am I gonna tell you, but I'm gonna need your help to make it. Let's head back to the studio. Wombat, please grab the papier-mâché stuff.
Will do.
Chumpkins, please find us some rope.
On it.
And I'll borrow these outfits. Now, let's make art. Woo-hoo-hoo! Talk about inspiration!
Are you sure this is gonna work, Peking?
The artist is sure!
Isn't this sculpture going to be a little big, Peking?
Oh, yes! The biggest!
Claudette, higher. Giuseppe, lower.
Madame L'Orange, I'm ready to be in your big art show, if you'll have me.
Did you find your big idea, Monsieur Duckling?
I think so. You tell me. I call it friendship and